This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Helm. Simply gorgeous. Complete renovation. All new paint. Gorgeous ceramic and laminate flooring. Spacious rooms throughout. Twin zone heat and air system. Fourth bedroom is room over garage. Screened porch. Deck. Extra large corner lot. Oversized 2-car garage. Available for immediate occupancy. Very quiet, convenient community. Hurry, won't last. For more information, review the details below or contact Helm at 757-481-8497.